Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing everything so the setup runs smoothly. Plug the primary Google Mesh node into your modem with the Ethernet cable, then power it on. This node becomes your network hub. Open the Google Home app, sign into your Google account, and grant location and Bluetooth permissions so discovery works. Once done, follow the app prompts to add a new device. This kicks off the pairing and firmware check that ensures your mesh unit can communicate and update. Now you expand coverage by adding satellites. Place each secondary node where signal strength is still good, typically 1 to 2 rooms from the primary, and plug them in. In the app, choose Add Setup Device for each node. The app will detect and guide you through placement tests and automatic firmware installation. Make sure to name your network and set a strong Wi-Fi password. You can also enable a guest network. This configuration step creates seamless handoff. Finish by running the Google Home Network check to verify device connectivity, latency, and speed. This confirms mesh routing and band steering are active. Make sure devices roam as you move around. If you see weak spots, move a node slightly closer or to a higher location and rerun the test. If a node won't join, reboot modem and node, then try again. If that fails, factory reset the node. One key troubleshooting tip: enable modem bridge mode or consult ISP settings when double NAT or conflicting routers cause connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.